Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this retro look from the 80s from end of the dash to impress. So if you get ready to blast into the past and serve total 80s realness in DTI, from these neon color to bold accessories and power poses, this retro tutorial will show you how you can create the iconic 80s outfits. So this is how it will look like, and I'm going to show you how you can create this look. So for the hair and makeup and also skin tone, you can just choose your preferred skin tone and hair and makeup. So I'm using this ponytail and also this bangs right here. You can change the color into whichever color you like and you think fits into the retro outlook. And after that, you can just use this tops right here and change the color into whichever you like. So I'm using this colors in here, and after that you can use this hand and shove this ones right here, the sleeves, and you can change it into the color that you want. I'm going to change it into like some neon color, so I'm going to go with this yellow neon color, and after that you can put on this stockings, leggings in here, and change the color of the same with the top. This one I've already saved the color, and after that you can put some accessory like phone, and also here I'm going to grab this phone and to look into tags. Okay, you can change the color of the phone if you want to. You can also just leave it as it is. I'm going to change the color to be the same with the outfits, kinda like this. Okay, now let's put on some accessory here. I'm going to use this headphone as the accessory, this one, and I'm going to use the same color as the outfit, and also the yellow color like this. Next, I'm going to go to the dressing room. So there are two coded items that I use for this look. The first one is these pants right here. I'm going to change the color the same with the sleeves, so this yellow color, and also I'm going to use this like warmers and change the color into this color. Okay, this blue colors in here. Next, you just need to put on the socks and shoes. So here I'm going to put on the socks and also this heels right here. Now we just need to change the color, and that's it. So this is the final look for the 80s outfit retro look. So I hope you like this hack that I'm giving you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.